Hello, everybody, and welcome to Aurora Friday Alpha Leaks. We are happy to see you here with us, as always, every Friday at 4 o'clock Ukraine time, 3 o'clock Central Europe time. And we are looking forward to sharing some interesting things with you. And I would like to start with you seeing my personal Near wallet and a very small but very interesting change in this wallet. And as you can see here, right now, bridged assets from Ethereum like DAI and Tether, they now have icons. And actually, this was happening because Bridge team was fixing one of the issues that was with the metadata of the bridge tokens, and now these tokens are able to have icons, and these icons are going to be displayed everywhere in all of the Near applications. Well, actually, let me check whether we are able to see it at app ref finance ref.finance, right? So this is the application for ref finance, and we need to check whether we are able to see the pools. Well, and you can see here Tether, wrapped Ethereum, and some others, liquidity pools. DAI, as you can see, right? Some tokens not having the icons, but in general, you can see that there is Octopus Network icon, USDC, so all of them. In all of the applications that are using metadata for the bridged assets, now they are able to see icons too. So super cool and super nice thing to see. And as you can imagine, the icon of the token, unfortunately, is not something that we are able to automatically get from Ethereum. And for example, what we can get from Ethereum is decimals, right? And in order to manage icons of all of the assets, we have created the special repo. It is called Bridge Assets, and it is available in our GitHub. Aurora is Near. So anyone is able to create here the pull requests in order he would like to change the metadata of the token, of the bridge token. So if you're coming from the Ethereum project and you would like to bridge your token to Near, and you would like to update the metadata of your token, update the icon, because this is something that, again, as I said, is not presented in Ethereum blockchain. We cannot work with it. Then you are able to submit the pull request here in this repo. Our team is going to check it, and we are going to change it on Near side, right? The ability to change the metadata is yeah. So please do it. We will try to do it in a pretty timely way. There is a way. There is some kind of procedure that you need to follow, and everything you will be able to find in this repo in README. So super cool that we have now this feature. I believe it will help everybody and will simplify the way how people are operating with the assets on Aurora side and on Near side of the bridge. Second thing that we released is the tool that is called Bridge CLI. This is the tool that will help our partners and all of the developers that are using Bridge. It will help people to actually use the bridge. So in case you're a developer and you're looking forward for using the bridge, or maybe extending the bridge with your own connectors, please take a look here and see what is there in the Bridge CLI. There are quite a lot of different commands there available. So please do it, please use it. It's a nice little tool that will answer lots of your questions. Next thing that we would like to report to everybody, this is the outage that was happening on the testnet of Aurora, and I'm handing over to Arthur to tell you a little bit more about this problem.
Sure. So first, a reminder to everybody that we have this API status page where you can subscribe to updates from the button up on the right. So you will get an email notification about any incidents, such as the outage yesterday. You can also connect it to Slack and other means of notification via that button. So Alex, if you would scroll down a little bit, and let's look at the incident yesterday. So yesterday we had our first major incident. That was the full outage of the testnet, and that was caused by the near testnet being down for most of the day. The technical details are available on the near chain status Twitter feed. You can read about those there. But in any case, of course, Aurora building on near that affected us, and most relayer methods, most RPC endpoint methods were unavailable for the duration. Especially, of course, something like transaction submission cannot work without the underlying chain being operational. So in any case, we communicated this as soon as we learned about it, and over here you could track the incident, and as it was resolved, we let everybody know immediately. And mainnet was not affected.
Yeah, so subscribe to the updates of the API Aurora.dev in case, especially in case you're looking forward to launch your project on top of Aurora soon. And I believe there are multiple teams that are doing it right now. They're doing the final preparations for their projects to be released on Aurora. One additional thing that I would like to remind everybody about is actually the challenges of the Beetle Hackathon, right? Beetle Hackathon was extended for submissions till 19th of September. And this is something that so you are able to submit your work within it. This is the actual page where you're able to do it, and as you can see, there are many different challenges here, and you are able to develop what you like, and you can pick one and develop it. And among all of these challenges, there is one with a familiar logo to you, and this is the Aurora challenge. And the challenge is about Aurora to near cross-contract calls. We were telling about this challenge about a month ago, I believe, already. So in case you have been developing it, you are still able to submit it. And in general, this challenge, well, potentially, in case this is the first time when you hear about this challenge, you can take a look into it. Perhaps you will be able to do it even before the submission date, right? So there is still an opportunity for you in case you like to hack stuff. This is one of the super nice examples of the tasks for the Beetle Hackathon. So inviting everybody to take a look at this and see what you're able to do there. In order to access the challenges, please go to near.org/metabeetle, and you will be able to see everything there. Another thing that I would like to remind you about, and this is something that we have been, okay, that's a nice thing. Information is not available. Okay, all good. This is the thing that that we have been telling you probably a week ago, right? Or maybe a couple of weeks ago. Aurora has launched its own validator, and this validator is available at the address aurora.poolv1.near, right? This validator, as we have been communicating, is using its fees in order to pay for the operation of the Rainbow Bridge. As all of you know, Rainbow Bridge is not taking any fee for its operations. It's only the gas fees that user needs to pay on the Ethereum and Near side for the transactions, for the transfers over the bridge. And Rainbow Bridge is not taking any fees, and unfortunately, Rainbow Bridge is permissionless. And unfortunately, this means that we need to spend quite a lot of money for keeping Ethereum and Near networks synchronized, and this sums up into around $30,000 per month or something like that. And that's quite a big load for a project like us. And one additional and many people were coming to us with the ask that perhaps they would like to they would like to support us, and we were trying to find the good way how to do it, and we decided that launching our own validator on near mainnet can be helpful. So we launched it, and all of the fees that this validator collects, they are going to offset the fees, the actual fees of the synchronization fees of the Rainbow Bridge. So in case you would like to support Rainbow Bridge, please consider staking with our validator. This will bring value to the whole network, right? But please remember then in case you would like to sorry in case you would like to unstake your near tokens from one validator and stake it with Aurora, please bear in mind that during the unstaking period, your tokens are not earning you any staking rewards. And last but not least, actually you are able to stake with Aurora validator directly in the near wallet. I'm going to show you right in my personal wallet. If you'll go to staking, you will be able to click stake my tokens, and then you will be able to choose here Aurora, and you will be able to select this validator and stake with it. So as simple as that. Last but not least, we are hiring, right? And we were telling you last time that we are hiring, and we have been having only one single position available on our website. And now we have a little bit more positions here. So the team finished the job descriptions, and now you are able to take a look into all of them. So if you're a developer and you're looking for new opportunities, and you're thinking about working in blockchain space, and in general you like our project, maybe this is a nice point in time for you to join our team. So if you would like to see all of these open positions, you are able to go to the Aurora website, to career section. It is available in the footer here, and you are able to see here multiple open position: QA engineer, EVM engineer, bridge engineer, and relayer engineer. All of them are open. We are inviting you to join. And in case you have in case you're also looking forward to working with us, but unfortunately you are not seeing a good fit in position in this list, you can contact with us through the contact form and send your CV, and maybe we will be able to find a nice place for you in our team. So with that, let me check what are the comments on our YouTube channel. I see people just saying hello to everybody, and thanks for watching us. We have today around 12 people watching us. Pretty nice. So in case there are no questions, I would wait for maybe additional 20 seconds with this. But yeah, thanks everybody, and thanks for cheering us. Yeah, and so since there are no questions right now, I'm wishing everybody a very nice end of Friday and happy weekend, and we'll see you exactly in 1 week from now on the next Aurora Friday Alpha League. Bye guys. Okay.